Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this easy Polly Pocket outfit on Dress to Impress with no VIP except for the shoes. You can kind of change it to anything that you'd like. For the hair, I use this one in CAA061 and these bangs. This hair in the same color in default, position DY to 0.71, Z 0.71, sorry, Y 0.72, and scale it to 0.13. For the outfit, I just used this jacket over here in silk. And I used this pattern. Then I colored it orange. And then orange as well in silk. And then orange. Then I'm going to do lighter orange for this. Then I'm going to just grab this top in that same pattern. You can use any pattern that you like. This is just kind of like the base shape. So like this in that same pattern in silk. Then we are going to grab these glasses in the third toggle, or the second one, in silk, and then the second one I colored it like pink. Then for the shoes, I did use these, but you can use the ones outside VIP. First we're going to color this pattern in a light silk, and then we're just going to do silk in orange. Then I think I did white, and then I did orange again in silk. And then I did white. I don't know what color that changes, but that is it. Obviously, you can use any color pattern. This is just to make the outfit shiny and rubbery like a Polly Pocket outfit. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.